Hi everyone, this is Alicia and I'm here to give you my honest review of the Stanley 30-ounce cup. This cup is great. I really like it. It's one of my everyday use. I work an office job, so I need to make sure that I have a cold beverage with me at all times. Also, I live in Arizona, so it's really great to have a cup that I can take with me when I run errands, and I know that my water or beverage is going to stay cold and the ice is not going to melt on me because it is extremely hot here. So it's really nice because it does have a handle, and because the bottom is smaller than the top, it does fit in your cup holder, which is a plus. These are stainless steel, double insulated, and they need to be hand washed only. They cannot go in the dishwasher. And the top is really nice because it does come with a straw, which is great, but it also comes with a wide mouth too. So if you want to drink it like that as well, you can. But if you want to close it up, you can completely and put the lid on, and then it's not going to spill on you, which is great. And the lid does screw on and off to help keep your drink insulated, whether that's hot or cold. This is what the cap looks like. Again, you just put it where you want if you want your straw, you could put it right in there, easy and convenient. Or if you want it completely closed so it's not going to spill on you. And it's great because it has a little rubber thing for your thumb. It just screws on just like that. This is a really great cup. I like it for everyday use. It's one of the best cups on the market to keep your drinks cold. I would highly recommend if you're in the market for it.